Hi, in this video I will show how to import ICS file into Notion. You can see I have my Notion open and I have my ICS files. And to show you what is inside file, I double click on it to open ICS Viewer. It's a free app. It's showing what is inside ICS. And you can see I have event with start date, end date, location, description, and I want to import into Notion. In order to do this, I will click on export. I click on save as CSV. It's asking me for name location of the file. This name location is okay. ICS Viewer, save. And file has been saved. Let's go to Notion, sorry, or Ocean. It's also fine. And click on import. Select CSV and select our ICS Viewer. And we have our events imported in here. Yeah, let's check it. So there is a description, conference room, start end date, and some event name. You will have a different, of course, because this is a test event file. It's not real. It's created by a converter from Excel to ICS, but you can see it has all ICS properties in there, and we have it imported. So yeah, basically that's it. I will leave a link on ICS Viewer installation guide, installation video guide into description. Also, if you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. Thank you.